Right guys, welcome back to the channel. If you do enjoy the content here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, it really helps. And boys, if you're a subscriber, then welcome back. So we are here in career mode then, and what I want to talk about today is how to change teams in career mode. The database that I'm using is WorldDB, as I always use. To me, it's the best database that you can download for the game. I'll put a link in the description down below, or of course you can just go to the Steam page, click on workshops, search for WorldDB, and you can download that and have yourself a whole lot of fun. But the purpose of the video, as I say, is how to change teams in career mode. You can see here we're on the 1st of June 2025, and in the bottom left corner, as you can see, we've got the Lotto jersey there, and that is the team that we currently have available to us. So we go into the squad here, you can see Arnold De Lee, Van Etvel, etc, etc. But let's say we don't want to be Lotto anymore. Let's just say we've had enough of the team, or you get into seasons 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it might be, and you just want a change of scenery. Let's go ahead and change that. And let's say, for example, I don't want to be Lotto, I want to be Red Bull Borahansgrohe. Well, let's go and make that happen. So first we're going to need to quit to the main menu so the game automatically saves. Okay, so we're now in Fast Editor, and you can use this or you can use DB Editor, whichever one you may have preference to use, but I personally like using Fast Editor. And in the editor, we only need 2 of the pages open. Of all of these pages we can select on this side. We've got like sponsors, etc. But we don't need all of that. We just need GAM user or GAM underscore user and teams. That's simply all we need, guys. So first things first, on the GAM user page, this #1 user with this game underscore se underscore login, which is the same number as your save file. You can see in here there is a column called FKID team underscore duplicate, and basically what that is saying is which team do you want to duplicate to you, the user, as to the team that you want to control in your game save. And that's currently number 9, and that number 9 represents the ID number of Team Lotto, which we are of course in our game save. But of course we don't want to be Lotto anymore, we want to be Red Bull Borahansgrohe. So let's go to the other page that we've got open, which is quite simply teams. And we've got that in order of ID number through 1, 2, 3, etc. And there is number 9, Team Lotto. That's the ID number for Team Lotto. But as we scroll down, we can see Red Bull Borahansgrohe has an ID number of 33. And that's all we need, guys. We just need that number. That's the only bit of reference that we need to change our team. So we go back to GAM underscore user. And in that FKID team underscore duplicate, we're going to replace that number 9 with a 33. Now, if you do this, let's say, for example, let's just put that back to 9 for a second. Okay. And then let's change to 33. But if you still have this pencil icon over here, and then you click on save, it will not recognize that change in data. You need to click somewhere else on the screen to get rid of that pencil mark. And once you do that, then yes, you can go ahead and you can click on save database. And that's it, we're all done. That is simply all you need to do, guys. GAM underscore user and teams, find the ID of the team that you want to become in career mode, replace that up here, and we should be good to go. But of course we need to test that theory, so let's get back into PCM and take a look. Okay, so we're back on the main screen of PCM 24, and career underscore 5 is load last save game. So we're going to click on that, and that will bring us back straight into that game that we just saved a couple of minutes ago. Okay, so we're back in the save now, and look at this, bottom left hand corner, you can see the jersey has changed straight away to Red Bull Borahansgrohe. Our balance does actually remain the same. If we click on squad and go across there, you can see also all of our squad members have changed. Now, I did do this on a practice save on a different save file, and I managed to get about 3 to 4 months into the save in testing, and I did not experience any problems. Now, I'm going to say, number 1, if you make these changes, you do so at your own risk. And I would suggest number 2, you make a copy of your save, because if you mess up or you make a mistake or something happens down the line, then of course you've got that backup of that save. So always make sure if you're making these kind of changes, make a backup. For me, I don't really mind. This is just like a practice save so I can test things out for you guys. But that is it, guys. That's all you need to do. Just go into Fast Editor or DB Edit, make that change of the ID number, come back into your save, and now, as you can see, we have transferred now from the Team Lotto Manager, and we are now in control of Röda Ball Bora Hansgrohe. I hope you like this one, guys. I hope it helps. Make sure you like, comments, and subscribe. All of that groovy stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Get out of here.